Please share this video. I don't know how we missed this. Roaring Kitty tweeted this on May 16th. I'm not going to play it with volume because I don't want to get copyrighted. But let's take a look. 9-7, Busta Busta. Watch the lyrics. Let me put it full screen for you guys. Check it out. Hit you with no delaying. So what you saying? Silly 9 milli, right? When be on the mic, do my duty. Do you really want to party with me? Put all your hands where my eyes can see. Oh, I don't know how this went over our head. Straight buck wildin' in the place to be. If you really want to party with me. Flip mode on 9-7. Rewind. 9-7. Busta Busta. Crash, right? Fire. Check it out. The eyes. So what you saying? Sold my 9 milli. Shares of Chewy. When be on the mic. Do my duty, yo. Do you really want to party with me with the cheers? Let me see. So what you got for me? Put all my money in Gme. Guys, how did we miss this? This is a simple interpretation, an easy interpretation of what we missed with Roaring Kitty. Okay, lottery stocks, what does this mean? Well, first of all, it means to share the video and like the video. But where are we on Roaring Kitty's timeline? Potentially the flag, potentially the eyes, potentially the fire, right? We are overall somewhere in this range. Now, what I can tell you about this and why it doesn't matter if we know the exact pinpoint is because of this fire, then crash, then party. See, this guy on Twitter is very onto something in my personal opinion. Shout out to HowEasy01. Let's check the November checklist out, right? November 5th, the presidential election, Donald Trump wins, BBBY merger acquisition announcement news, macro break in the market gap up into Wednesday. Even if all of these don't happen, just pay close attention. November 6th, AMC reports third quarter earnings and then has distractions from the market. And on November 6th and 7th, the FOMC meeting comes out. There's rate cuts, and then there is a January 2021 like event where there is a squeeze equivalent / market melt up, which is the fire emoji, and then November 21st the market begins to crash. Right? Disregard all the stuff from BBBY, disregard some of the things in this checklist, right? Or regard them, completely up to you. But the point being is that we are going to likely have a melt up like we talked about in this time frame over the next couple of weeks coming into the election. And why this makes even more sense when the market is going to crash late November is because whoever wins the election is going to be left with this economic mess. US stocks have seen the largest outflows by institutions, and we have seen that not only last week, but over the last 12 months. And there's a lot more to touch on why the market is not doing good. But let's also show you that the 200-day simple moving average has crossed up on the 500-day moving average over on GameStop. What does this mean? Well, from a technical standpoint, the last time this happened was December of 2020, right before GameStop ended up squeezing in 2021 in January. So a month before, right? The same thing happened where GameStop ran what it was at 3,000%. If we are in that same exact time zone, it lines up with Roaring Kitty's emojis, it lines up with the market crash, it lines up with the moving average crossing. Also, on top of that, look at the weekly chart. I know a lot of people are freaking out about the daily candle with GameStop coming down, saying it got crushed. They're crushing your spirits. It's a psychological game. The weekly chart is still looking very good with this huge green candlestick. AMC as well, it is still trading in this channel. There's not much to say. It's building an entire weekly candle above $4.35. This is a beautiful, beautiful thing to see. Now, you want to watch till the end. Please watch till the end of the video because I give you guys so much information. And since I research, edit, upload, record these for you guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. A lot of you guys on TVs don't subscribe. Just go up, press the channel, and press subscribe. Also, make sure to have post notifications on. Spot gold just hit another record high at $2,790.15 per ounce. DJT is down 13.5%. I do want to say, if you think Trump is going to win, I want to put this one on your radar. DJT stock has a high short interest of almost 18%, and I think shorts are going to jump out closer to election if Trump is favored to win. However, first, I think the stock is coming down to $28.30, and I think that is one potential spot to enter future call options or shares or whatever it is. Nothing I say is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, but we have about a week left until election. Another play to put on your radar is Intel. Intel just gapped up about 13% on their earnings and is currently up 5% on the day, even though they said they are laying off another 16,500 employees after laying off 19,000 just a few weeks ago to save money. Personally, I think this could be a decent trade the way the chart is playing out, building out this flag pattern for a break anywhere in this range between $24.60 to $27.70. I think Intel is going to be a nice quick trade here. I'm also going to give you a trade that I entered in a little bit, but the market, first of all, just to show you signs, these early warning signs to investors, the U.S. job openings fell by 420,000 in September to 7.44 million, which is the lowest since January of 2021. Again, bringing up that exact scenario. U.S. available job vaccines significantly missed expectations of 8 million. And since March of 2022, peak job openings have now declined by 4.74 million or 39%. In effect, the ratio of job vaccines to unemployed workers fell to 1.1 below pre-pandemic levels. And furthermore, data has now been revised downward in 15 out of the last 20 months, the highest frequency in the last 15 years, which shows that the U.S. labor market is absolutely deteriorating. And commercial real estate foreclosures have just soared by 48% nationwide, with places like California seeing a 238% increase over the last 4 years. This could be potentially much worse than 2008, and don't forget that banks have over $750 billion on their balance sheet that could cause a collapse at any moment, potentially in December. Now, with all of this, the market just wiped out $1 trillion from US stocks already, and we only saw a 2.7% correction, now trading at 572.80, up 0.74% on the day. This massive gap down right here, in my opinion, I thought the SPY was going to head down a little bit further to 565.70 or catch right here, and we ended up catching. Now we're building a candle right here. Like I said, it is not time, in my opinion, to jump into long dated puts on the SPY, because we are going to likely have one more melt up after somebody gets elected, bringing the SPY to 600, 605, maybe a little bit even past that to 620, 630 before absolutely collapsing. And that is exactly what we are watching for. Tesla, I just entered some Tesla puts down 0.9%, 247.62. Tesla broke a crucial level at 250, and it looks like it's going to close under that, bringing me to think Tesla is coming down to at least 238, potentially 226, and that is what I'm watching for. I do have puts on Tesla using a stop loss. Nvidia up 2.39%. But I think Nvidia has a chance at getting a quick flash correction before this market melt up. Honestly, I don't see a trade here on Nvidia. I think it's too risky, especially with what's happening with SMCI. Bitcoin breaking under 70K. This is very scary to see, especially seeing that we expect that crash to come and we might not be on the dot of a timeline. But I do still think we see a higher melt up on crypto as a whole. Also on Dogecoin, we really want to see Dogecoin hold above 16 cents. I'm going to be watching this one very closely. Press the top links under the video and go do so. The Discord is only a coffee a month. I post my trades as soon as I enter them. We talk stocks and crypto all day long with the most amazing people. Best vibes in there, whether you're a beginner or advanced trader. This is the place to go, guys. Please get in the Discord so we can chit chat back and forth and you can level yourself up. Doing this for you guys, to help you guys, it is very cheap. My custom indicator is also free for 2 weeks. That's the link under the video. This is also free. It's for Moomoo, where you can get up to 15 free stocks and earn 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash. Just sign up to the broker using my link, and once you get approved, deposit into your account. Again, it is a brand new month, so go get your free money right now. Go get new broker with new tools, so on and so forth. Getting up to 15 free stocks, each valued up to $2 grand per stock, a $30 cash reward, and earning 8.1% APY on your invested cash. Overall, hit that link, open an account, and deposit into your account. Make sure to go get my custom indicator. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, guys. God bless. I love you all. Lottery stocks out.